Hey guys, Derek here. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up on what I've been up to here lately. And what I've done is I've decided to give the core package away for free to anybody that wants it. Sign up for free, use it as much as you want, for as long as you want. So what that's going to give you, it's going to give you access to the deal calculator, the 15 different deal types that you can run through that calculator. It'll give you dashboard and the pipeline of your deals and buyers. So you can go in your dashboard and track all your deals, all your buyers, all your matches. It's going to give you the ability to use the LOI generator and access to the buyer network, all for free. So this is a great tool for any wholesalers that are storing a lot of buyers in different places, running a lot of deals through the system. It helps very quickly assess a deal, and if you have buyers in your buy box, in your system, it'll automatically match those deals to any buyers that where their buy box matches it. So it just makes things so fast and easy. And now it gives you a place to store those buyers and without having to go back and forth to spreadsheets and stuff like that. So get in there and try it out. Pass it around to all your friends. Get signed up. You guys got any questions, reach out to me, Derek at DealDogCRM.com. Otherwise, try it out and let me know what you think. All right.